So today we are going to start the study of leveling staff. So साढ़े को जेड़ा leveling staff है, this is of 4 meter height. So how to study this? So you can see it very clearly. This is made of wood and the readings are engraved with black, white and red colors. So at the bottom you can see there is a base and it starts from 0. Okay, then this type of leveling staff is known as telescopic leveling staff. So you can see it is folded like this, so you can take it out. Then there is one pin, it is locked over here, it is opened in one stage. Then there is the next stage is like this, you can open it. This type of leveling staff is known as telescopic. Now this is the lock and key. Then again you can open it, there is one lock key that gives you the one. So this is our 4 meter height leveling staff. So it is, you can adjust it according to your situation. So when it is not required, you keep it in the folded stage. So now we are going to study about the how to read the leveling staff. So here you can see very well from the bottom, it is always placed vertically and touch your toes at the bottom and your head at the top. This will be not like inclined like this. This will be in one line and you hold it in your hands like this, not like this. So in the hands, so it cannot be inclined like this. So this is the actual position to hold the leveling staff practically. It will touch your toes and forehead and both the hands around it. So after this holding, we are going to study how to read the readings. So it is very much clear, you can see from here. So in the diaphragm, in the leveling instrument, you have seen there are horizontal and vertical lines, so like this. So first of all we will study with a naked eye. You can see from the bottom it's starts from the 0 meters. Then this reading is 1 meter. On one in this side it is written as meters, on the other side these are decimeters. So you can see this reading is 1 meter, then it is 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meters. So how we can read? So I have taken one of the example. These are the crosshairs that you can see in the diaphragm of leveling instrument. So I have taken this example. So when the crosshairs bisects over here, you can see here vertical line and horizontal, it is just this reading is known as 1.00 meters. Okay, it is very thick. So the reading is over here, crosshairs will touch over here. This reading we can say 1.00. Then you can see there is a difference of 10 centimeters. Here is 1.2, then this is 1.3. So you can see very well this distance is 10 centimeters. So there are 20 divisions, 10 white color, 10 red color. So you can see here this 10 centimeter distance is divided into 20 parts. So one part is equal to 5 millimeters or 0.5 centimeter, or you can say it is 0.005 meters. So for the study of, I will stop over here. This reading is, you can say, 1.200 meters. Then this reading is 1.300 meters at the top, not at the bottom. Then this reading is 1.400, and over here it is 1.500. It is written, you can also, here is 1, the other side is 5. and then the centimeter is 1.50 centimeter. So similarly you can go, it is 1.600 meters, and here it is 1.70 meter and 1.800 meter, and so on. So this is 1.300. After this, now I am going to read the next division. Here is 1.300. If it is over here, it is 1.310. It is 1.320. It is 1.330. This is 1.340, and this will be 1.350. Similarly, 1.360, 1.370, 1.380. This is 1.390, and again this will be 1.400. This is the way how we can add 1 centimeter in the form of meters. Similarly, you go on. If you can say, I will read this reading. This reading will be, you take the reading not from the top, it is from the bottom. This is 1.4. This is 1.4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1.4500. And similarly, it is 1.500, and here it is 1.550. It is 1.60, and here it is 1.650. Like this, you can go on increasing the readings. Now, this is, you have already studied, this reading is 1.300. Then this reading is 1.310. This is 1.320. This is 1.330. So you have taken into account the centimeters. Now this is the least count. This one division is the least count of this leveling staff. So least count is 5 millimeters, or we can say 0.5 centimeter, or we can say 0.005 meters. So if the reading is over here, here you can tell it is 1.310. Now reading is over here. This we are going to study. This reading will be 1.305. Again, this reading is 1.305 meters. If it is over here, it is 1.310. Now it is over here. This is 1.315. Here it is 1.320. If it is over here, this reading will be 1.3250. Over here, it is 1.330. If it is over here, it is 1.335. This reading is 1.440. Now this reading 1.445. Okay, then you can go and check this reading. What is this reading? This reading you can check it and try this the best. This is 1.5. This is 1.55. Then this is again 0.5. So this reading you can say 1.555. Again check yourself. You can see how much is this reading. This reading is 0.850. If this will be over here, what will be this reading? Take it this reading will be, you go start not start from the top, it is from the bottom. This reading is 0.8, 0.85, 86, 87, 88. Then this reading is 0.885. Then what will be this reading now? This is the final. This reading will be, don't say it is 0.900. You start from the bottom. This reading is 0.8, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 5. This reading will be 0.895. It's over now.